Introduction to understanding the use of 1099 OID forms and Treasury processes. The 1099 Original Issue Discount (OID) form is a financial tool utilized in reclaiming withheld funds through the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). This process often involves addressing issues with overpaid taxes, mismanaged accounts, and asserting claims against withheld funds by banks, corporations, or governmental bodies. The following text explores the key elements of the process, offering clarity on the relevant forms and procedures. Key forms and their purposes. The 1099 OID form is critical in reclaiming funds that entities such as banks or utility companies may have withheld. This form works alongside several others, including the following: 1040 and 1041 forms. 1040 form, utilized for filing individual income tax returns, particularly when a Social Security number, SSN, is employed. 1041 form, used for estates and trusts, especially when an employer identification number, EIN, for a trust is available. 1096 form accompanies the 1099 OID and serves as a transmittal form, ensuring the correct filing of other IRS forms. Bill of exchange acts as a negotiable instrument, similar to a check, submitted to the Treasury to claim withheld funds. The process of filing and submitting claims. Preparation of documents. Complete the 1099 OID to indicate the withheld amount being claimed. Include a bill of exchange detailing the claim, specifying it as a negative value to highlight the reclaim. Attach the 1040 or 1041 form, depending on the identification type used, SSN or EIN. Submission details. Send completed documents to designated IRS addresses, often located in Austin, Texas, or Ogden, Utah, depending on the case specifics. In cases involving international or foreign claims, the address may differ. Verify current IRS guidance. Certification and endorsements. Certify supporting documents, such as birth certificates, by endorsing them as copies of the original. Certification must align with legal standards for authenticity and acknowledgement. Understanding claims against public and private entities. Claims filed through the 1099 OID process often involve overpayments, harm caused by entities, or unjust withholding of payments. These claims extend to banks, reclaiming funds withheld through mortgages, loans, or credit agreements. Utilities and other service providers, addressing payments withheld for services rendered. Judgments, pursuing damages or unjust financial harm caused by court rulings or administrative errors. The role of the Articles of Confederation and Sovereignty. The Articles of Confederation and the Declaration of Independence underpin claims of sovereignty and rights as a free citizen. These documents are often referenced to assert the legal standing of individuals, ensuring equitable treatment under established law. Article 4 ensures free citizen rights and the Treasury's responsibility to manage public and private debts. Article 12 reinforces the principle that Treasury assets belong to the people, not the government. Challenges and risks in the filing process. It is critical to understand potential challenges and risks associated with the 1099 OID process. Documentation accuracy. Ensure all forms are accurately completed to avoid rejection or penalties. Incorrect claims or exaggerated amounts may lead to legal complications. Knowledge of IRS procedures. Familiarize yourself with specific IRS guidelines and submission protocols. Address discrepancies proactively and ensure compliance with all legal standards. Conclusion. The 1099 OID process offers a pathway to reclaim withheld funds, providing individuals with opportunities to assert their financial rights. However, success requires precise documentation, adherence to legal protocols, and an understanding of the processes involved. By following these guidelines, individuals can navigate the complexities of the system effectively. This information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us, we neither endorse nor discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.